Hello, welcome all. I am going to discuss about coronavirus, sign and symptoms of coronavirus, prevention and treatment of coronavirus. Okay, let's start. Coronavirus are the largest RNA virus and they infect humans and animals in which they cause respiratory and enteric disease. Coronavirus cause about 1/3 of common cold and the newly recognized severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is known as SARS, SARS. Now, epidemiology. Most people harbor anti-coronavirus antibodies, but reinfection is common, indicating that there are many circulating serotypes of the virus in the human population. It means major outbreaks occur every few years with a cycle that depends on the type of virus involved. Pathogenesis. Coronavirus causes respiratory and enteric disease in a variety of animals. And in human, the major site of virus replication is the epithelial cells of the respiratory tract. About 1/3 of colds are caused by coronavirus. Now, symptoms are runny nose, sore throat, cough, headache, fever, chills, etc. An incubation period 3 days. Viral spread is limited by the immune response of most patients, but this immunity is short-lived. And symptoms may last about a week with considered variation between patients, and often there are no apparent symptoms, but the patient still sheds infectious virus. And transmission is by transfer of nasal secretion, such as in aerosols caused by sneeze, and virus that infect epithelial cells of the enteric tract cause diarrhea. And in humans, these viruses have been implicated in infections of the middle ear and some pneumonias in immunosuppressed patients. Now, diagnosis. Most coronavirus infections go undiagnosed and the disease is self-limiting. And diagnosis can be carried out using immunoelectron microscopy and serology. And there are no antiviral for routine coronavirus infections, but over-the-counter remedies to alleviate symptoms are useful. What is severe acute respiratory syndrome? SARS. In late 2002, a new syndrome was observed in southern China, and it was named as a severe acute respiratory syndrome. And this disease has now been reported in Asia, North America, Africa, and Europe. The SARS coronavirus causes severe respiratory disease, and the incubation period averages about 6 days, and common early symptoms includes fever above 380 degrees centigrade, malaise, chills, headache, dizziness, cough, and sore throat, followed a few days later by shortness of breath. It has been shown that SARS coronavirus can be airborne in a healthcare settings, and suggesting that airborne transmission might occur. Then SARS contamination of frequently touched surface such as bed table fomites has been observed also. And what is PCR? PCR is the polymerase chain reaction. Assays are useful to detect the coronavirus nucleic acid in respiratory secretions and in stool samples. Now, SARS virus RNA was detectable in plasma by PCR, with viremia most readily detectable between 4 days and 8 of infection. Isolation of human coronavirus in cell culture has been difficult. However, the SARS virus was recovered from oropharyngeal specimens using Vero monkey kidney cells. Now, what is serology and ELISA? Serology, because of the difficult of virus isolation, and serodiagnosis using acute and convalescent sera is the practical means of confirming coronavirus infection. Now, next one is ELISA and hemagglutination test may be used. Then treatment, prevention and control of coronavirus. There is no proven treatment for SARS other than management of symptoms. Drugs are under development, and there is no vaccine against the SARS virus or any other human coronavirus. A major problem with live virus vaccines is antigenic shift and unpredictable outcomes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand, but still you have any problem you can comment, so we will continue rest of our topic in next video.